Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 2 of my back to school series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this makeup look for back to school. It is super easy and it does not take much time, which is perfect for back to school because you don't have a lot of time in the morning. So if you'd like to learn how to do this makeup look, keep watching, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So you want to start off by taking your concealer and just applying it wherever you usually apply your concealer. For me particularly, that's generally under my eyes and anywhere there are blemishes. And then I'm just going to blend it in with my concealer brush. So now I'm just going to take my everyday face powder and just dust it all over my face just to set down the concealer and make sure I'm not shiny. So now I'm just going to take my eyebrow spoolie and eyebrow pencil and just brush out and fill in my eyebrows. So now I'm just going to take my rosewater lip tint and apply it to my lips, and then I'm going to take a light lip gloss and apply it over the top. So now I'm just going to take my eyeshadow brush and a brown cream eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply that to the crease of my eye, and then I'm going to blend it out and do the same on the other side. So now I'm going to go back in with a gold cream eyeshadow and apply it all over my lid before blending it out. So now I'm going to line my eyes with an eyeliner pencil. For more natural looks, I recommend using an eyeliner pencil because gel, pen and liquid eyeliners are generally more pigmented, which can look very harsh if you're going for a more natural makeup look. So now I'm just going to apply some mascara and curl my eyelashes. And finally for this look, I'm just going to take a gold cream highlighter and highlight my cheekbones, my nose and my cupid's bow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below. Also take this poll and tell me if you guys would like to see another back to school video next week or not, and comment down below what video you would like to see next week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Another back to school video.